Hi, this is Neil at Italia Autos, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove the carpet from an Alfa Romeo GTV or Spider. You are going to have to follow a few videos before this, as you need to remove the seats and the centre console. I have done some videos for this already, so I will put the links in the description and at the end of the video hopefully. So once you've followed those two steps to remove the seats and the centre console, we need to get on to removing a few other bits and bobs. We need to remove the side kick trims, which are down on the floor here. We need to remove the central tunnel carpets, and we need to remove a few bolts for the seat belts, a few screws in the driver's footwell, and a few screws in the passenger footwell. So I'm going to start on the passenger side. These central trims are not held in with screws, they're just held in with clips, so it's handy to have a nice pry bar like this. Slot it underneath, and then just gently every few inches just pry it up a little bit. And then a 17mm socket to undo the seat belt. And now it's just slid into the end here, so if you work it around it should pop out like that. One side. No Phillips screws down here. Not very long. And now just peel it from underneath the fuel cut off, and then you start pulling it down a little bit. Be careful not making sure it's not caught anywhere, because you will rip the carpet. And there's just a little Allen head underneath the door card here, and then we can pull it underneath. Again, being very careful not to damage anything, just pull it underneath, and there we go. That is that side almost free. Let's go on to the side now. Now there's normally two Phillips screws holding this side carpet trim in, and a clip at the back, so you just need to lift it up out the clip, and there you go, that's that part done. Next part all I've got to do is lift this out the way, as well as using a pry bar. If you're feeling confident, you can just give it a tug in 3 different places, and off it will come. And now down here there's 3 Phillips screws to undo. I will do these off camera because there's not much to tell you about that really. There you go, 2 screws for the footrest, sorry. 2 screws for the 2 screws for the footwell footrest, and then there's just 1 screw which is directly underneath the accelerator pedal. This sometimes can be a bit stubborn, so make sure you've got a good purchase on the screw before undoing it, so you don't round it off. And again, slide the carpet underneath. Okay, right, now the next bit is a massive shortcut, because otherwise you would have to remove pretty much the whole dashboard to get the carpet out. So what I'm going to do is get a very sharp Stanley knife and cut right in the centre tunnel right along the sort of the middle edge where you won't see any of the cuts, and then just cut all the way back, and then you can just pull the carpet out from behind the centre console. Now here we are on the passenger side of the footwell. You see I'm going to make a cut from up this side to this side. Then I think there's another one further back, and you just make that cut along there. So right, won't do this on camera because I need two hands. So I'll show you the cut once I've got the carpet out. Okay, the cut's now been made. The carpet is now free on the passenger side. I'm going to start working it back gently from both sides, and then the carpet should be out quite soon. I need to make one little cut this side as well. And feed the carpet under. And there you go, one carpet removed. Obviously you can make your cuts neater than this one, but I've had to cut along here and then one cut there, so you can then prise that out and then free that out from there. So there you go, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.